welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, hope you're well. In this video I'll be making a veggie grower. I decided to make one myself because of how pricey they are out there. Most of the materials I used in this video are from B&Q. So I start off by cutting the wood for my frame into 8 45cm pieces. I'll talk you through all the stages. Stay tuned. After cutting my 8 45cm pieces, I attach them using screws and forming an L shape. Now I'm adding on wood pieces for the width of the grower onto the L-shaped bracket. After the two ends of my grower are complete, I begin to add wood planks for the length of the grower. I use 180cm planks, which I didn't need to cut as they were the right size for the grower. Now that my grower is beginning to take shape, I'm just slotting in the planks and using screws to attach them to the brackets. For the base of my grower, I space the wood to allow water drainage. Voila, there you have it, my veggie grower. Still not complete because I need to add a wood barrier, as I'm gonna be adding stones and soil to it, so I wouldn't want it to fall to the ground. there you have it, guys. My veggie grower all done and ready for planting. Thank you so much for watching and hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you'll be making your own as well. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment box. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.